Welcome to the channel, True Jamaican Vibes Fire Raid. Yeah man, you can see we spot me there. So I'm in the toll gate area, as you can see the sign. So I'm giving a tour from the toll gate side, go to Williamsfield in Manchester. So yeah man, so big up on yourself anywhere now watch from here and abroad, and big up on yourself. Just keep in tune for the video. Yeah man, one love and one heart. See that? Clarendon Park, Porus, Maypen, Williamsfield, Milk River. So when you see that sign there, you also want a stoplight on the road, so you make the left turn if you want to go to Williamsfield. So yeah man, so I keep on up to date. Yeah man, all my Jamaican people, everybody over the world, we long to come to Jamaica and see what I go on. So big up on yourself again. Now stop bigging up, you know, because if it wasn't for you guys, this channel would not be growing. So I have to say, oh, special big up to you. Because I don't know, say, I want to make the thing out the same way. So we are taking it from Tollgate to Williamsfield. Big up. Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Raid. So I am in the Clarendon area. Yeah man, see that? In the Tollgate area. So you know, so the left turn will take you all to Pusey Hill, Milk River, Scott Pass, them place there. So I'm gonna make the left turn right here, which will take us to the Williamsfield area. Maypen, Williamsfield, Milk River straight ahead. So I'm gonna make the left turn. Dog a fight, you know. Anyway, big up on yourself again. One love and one heart. Let's get into the video and see what I go on. Yeah man, see we have to drive 50 kilometers an hour. Place so pretty, eh? Yeah man, Jamaica, yeah, big up on yourself, man. Them work on a place, yeah. Like gonna put in some good work and thing, you know. Mark, you know, if you look out for the sign them on the road now, we are drive by A2. If you read the sign them on the road, look good to say if you make the left turn, will take you to Maypen and Spanish Town. See there, Williamsfield, Mandeville. Yeah man, read the sign them and look what I go on. Tell us that the place looking so beautiful. So I just can't take no time and navigate the road. In a no speed, highway just built up. So I don't know how the road terrain stay and I don't know. So I have to be careful. Yo, I tell us that piece of road that feel nice, like it take you one different place. Yo, the curve I feel different. Yo. This I feel different, my people. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself. So we're heading to Williamsfield, which is in Manchester. So leave in the comment section. So I see we're 110 kilometers an hour. Yeah, man. So to see that, what a beautiful place, just green and pretty. A lot of rain I get from the other day. So much rain.
Just a moment. Call from 080-5736-4709. Do you want to answer? Call from...
Hello? Hello?
Hello? Sir, how are you?
I'm alright.
That's great. Sir, my name is Ali and I'm calling you from Kuwait International. Basically, sir, we are the car for the company, okay? And we export vehicles to all over the Canada. And nowadays, we are giving an amazing offer of 25% off all our vehicles. So, sir, are you interested to buy any vehicle from us?
No, I'm not interested right now to buy the vehicle at the moment.
Maybe in the future, brother?
No.
No. Okay, not a problem. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thanks. Yeah, man, so I just received a call from overseas. I don't know what it is. Somebody said they have a vehicle to sell. Some vehicles selling 30% off, but you know, over the world, a lot of scamming are going on all over the place. Not only America scamming that take place. Jamaican people getting scammed same way. So we have to look out for them people there. Not say it is a scam, you know, but you have to look out on the eyes. So when the man passed me a while ago, another white car, me like, the car when I drive, it just shake like he ought to blow off of the road. Yeah, man, the speed still. I know it's a highway, so normally you're going to have a lot of speed on the highway, but try to capture as much as possible for my viewers them. And the same speed, you don't have to drive so fast on the road the same way, because safety is first. Safety is paramount. And also, what about your own personal safety? You need to take that in consideration when you drive on the road. See all them rocks, a lot of grading down take place here now. Lots. You see them the mountain there. So much grade down, have to grade down for the mall looking thing there. Whole heap of work that, you know. Big up yourself, bossy. Hard at work in the sun. That's how you get your daily bread.
Just a moment.
Actually, this a truck man that come down for me. If you come off the road, that's how I come over here, so, you know, because the speed where him a come with, you know, only God him know. Yeah, man, like up the video free of cost, man. And I know Jamaica with fire raid. Just to take the time off and show you where I go on from the toll gate area to Williamsfield, tour Jamaica, know Jamaica. You know this channel is all about anything we're doing in Jamaica. If we want to do some bird shooting, if we want to do some hunting, I show you how Jamaica nice, how Jamaica set up the area you can go for a nice dinner with your friends, family, loved one, anybody at all. So we're having some nice weather today. I would say in the Manchester area, very sunny. Don't know what's the cost gonna be for this toll. Don't know the cost. Hope it's very reasonable for our road users. Had a nice view up on the must up in Mandeville, up in a settlement area. So that nice view up on the hill there. The place look pretty, man. What a view. So we're getting closer to that pretty view up there on the hilltop. This feel like we're taking a cruise in the middle of the ocean and the ship just gliding on the water. This is how the highway feel. You see a pretty island out there, and that's the island you're going to, but you're just getting closer and closer every second. So that's the way how it feel on the highway. So can you imagine what the speed gonna take place on this highway? Just please, may I ask you, please just take your time for the highway, navigate the road, take your time, feel out the road first before you start speed. It's all about road safety. hope you're all enjoying the ride. Yeah, man, it's not really bumpy. Very cozy, you know. Williamsfield 7, Mandeville 12, Spurtree 16. I don't know if them sign are fully completed yet, you know, because now tell you the true reading, you know. What tell us say 7, 12 and 16, you know. Whole heap of work to do the highway, amount of fencing where I see the man them put up. think we are heading closer to the Yam Park area. You know, the Yam Park, you get your roast yam and salt fish. On your right, you have the Yam Park. police here, you know. Police up on the road. Couple like an examiner up on the road at work today, you know. So now look out for the examiner them and check out the vehicle them. Wholesome country goodness. So we are now on the Winston Jones Highway. Watch out them driving, watch out them driving, my people. Watch out them driving, watch out them driving. Watch out them driving here. So them drive at Jamaica, but they don't drive, them just don't pay attention to the road. Just a speed. Always look out of my eye, you know. Some people don't look out of them eye, you know what them look out of. When the road clear, you can go around, man, but don't force around if you don't see the road clear. Man, I give me way now, so I go around and see that. Pull off of the road so you can understand that. heading to the New Green roundabout, which will take you all to Greenville roundabout, Mile Gully, also to Mandeville Town Center. But I will take the first exit, which will take us to the Mandeville Town Center.